Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Then again 10 divided by 5 is equal to also 2. Now 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, P means parenthesis, A means exponents, M means multiplication, and D means division. M means addition and S means subtraction. First priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Last and fourth priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Now in this problem, here is division, and also here is division. All have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Divide 10 divide 5. Okay. Now 2 divided by 10 can be written as 2 by 10 divide 5. Okay. Now according to KCF rule, K means skip, C means change, and F means flip. So keep this 2 by 10 as it is same. C means change the sign from division to multiplication. Okay. And F means flip this last 5 is equal to, here is nothing in the division, so we can write as 1. Okay. So 5 by 1 can flip this fraction is equal to 1 by 5. Okay. So is equal to 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2. 10 multiply 5 is equal to 50 is equal to 1 by 25. Okay, so the correct answer is 1 by 25. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.